Okay guys, this will be very short if the motor doesn't start, but listen carefully for the noises that the engine or something, drive shaft, makes. I don't know, I have no idea where that noise comes from. Oh boy. Wow, I'm thinking it's probably, it's really starting to smell a little bit. I don't know. It's got a distinct odor. So I'll go ahead and shut it off. And disconnect the battery. Why, you ask? I don't know, it seems to have a drain on the battery when everything's shut off. So I just disconnect it right here until I, obviously I don't have to do that if I'm driving it every day. But for some reason there's definitely a drain on the battery when it's off. So I don't know, this roar and screeching came from over here someplace, so I'm guessing it's a bearing of some type. So Zane, tell me what you think. I really don't want to get rid of this van because it's a cool van. Nothing jumps out at me. Even if it did, I wouldn't know what to do with it. So I'll go ahead and send you this video. I'll load it up into YouTube so it's easy for you to access and it's easy for me to send to you. Alrighty. Okay, once again, it's a beautiful day. Overcast. It did rain this morning and the water is flowing like crazy in the woods. Like I said, it did rain quite a bit this morning and last night. Last night there was some rumblings. Check out the leaves. Again, got the walnut trees right here. They're popping out now finally. And this big one up here, way up top, that's popping out. But it's hiding the neighbors pretty nicely, very nicely. So, that's it, people. Oh, I got a call from Dave Cleary. How about that? Hey, Dave. What's up? I'm doing okay. How about yourself, bruh?